Pooja Anand, interior designer by profession. Currently, I'm teaching at Pearl Academy in the interior design department. I have a total of 26 years of experience. At Pearl, I've spent around 15 years. At Pearl Academy in the interior design department, our focus is actually on making a student a complete design professional, focusing on their holistic development. That's how we have our curriculum designed. The focus is more on practicality and hands-on experience so that the student gets a first-hand experience of how to work in the industry, because the ultimate aim of the student is to enter the industry. For that reason, we give them a lot of practical experience, making them work with the designers in the industry through live projects, through internships opportunities within the curriculum, so that we can basically develop them into as a complete design professionals.